knew this simple bag could be the key to unlocking your decluttering journey? Stick around, I'll show you how. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and like all things organized like me, please take a moment to say hi in the comments below. I'd really love to hear from you. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to explain how this simple garbage bag is a wonderful tool and an easy way to help you start your decluttering journey. Now, I know, everyone thinks that organizers are always telling people to get rid of all that good stuff. I get that, but decluttering is not about getting rid of all the things you love and use regularly. It's about getting rid of the things you don't need or things that don't belong. Here's the thing. Oftentimes our homes appear a lot more cluttered just because of miscellaneous items laying around that really don't belong in our homes. I mean, we all do it. We're in a rush or we get distracted and we set things down when they really should have been tossed out. I'm talking about things like miscellaneous papers, junk mail, receipts we don't need to hold on to, maybe empty packages, wrappers, and even empty shopping bags. So my tip for you in this video is to grab a garbage bag and go room by room tossing out all of that trash. Your home is no place for garbage, and you'll be amazed at how much more organized your home will seem without that garbage hanging around. This task shouldn't take too long, so I challenge all of you to take just 15 minutes today and get that garbage out of your home, because we ain't got time for that kind of clutter, do we? So let me know in the comments below, how many garbage bags do you think you'll be able to fill up? Truth be told, this past weekend alone, I nearly filled up an entire bag. But that's because I live with... Really? What? Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.